this is Liquid Ocelot. Guys, today I'm going to talk about what is Reddit and why it is called the front page of the internet. So it was founded by Steve Huffman, Aaron Swartz and Alexis Ohanian. And Reddit is a network of communities where people can dive into their interests, hobbies and passions. There is a community for whatever you are interested in on Reddit. So guys, whenever people use Google search engine to search for answers, and then they share it on Reddit. So there are many subreddits, and you can share whatever you find on Reddit. You can ask questions, text posts, share images, memes, and you can share your videos, etc, etc. I hope you liked and enjoyed this video, my friends. Please let me know in the comment section below what you guys think, and press the subscribe button and the bell notification bar for more videos like these. Take care.